Part 2. Sorry. Had to stop, take some pictures of it. I don't know if y'all seen it, but that's the house, the power station on the other side of the dam. See the water churning down there. She's still making electricity. Yep, she's still making electricity big time. As you can see. Not sure what that building over there is. On that side over there. It's something. Oh, excuse me. Huh?
There's someone else in the bathroom. Hi, Popo.
Oh yeah, wait for a minute.
Okay.
Is that an elevator in there?
I believe so.
Oh no. I hope. You gotta take an elevator to go to the bathroom? That's the men's bathroom. We'll come over here and take a look. Here. Oh my goodness. Pumpkin. Oh, you missed it. That was how the heck did you get down there? There was just a car driving on that road right there. Come out of that tunnel right there. See the vehicles down there? You see the water churning? That means it's creating electricity still. You can see by the water churning and stuff.
Are you talking about like that big truck down there?
Yeah. And
It's called a railroad?
no, that's a railroad because it takes stuff for the gates and stuff and everything. There's a tunnel in there too. It goes into a tunnel in there.
And it comes out over there.
Comes out somewhere.
It's all railroads. That's how they get in there.
No, they come out of that tunnel right down
That's a
there at the end.
railroad though.
I don't know
Zoom
what.
in on your camera.
Oh, is there railroad tracks down in there?
Yeah.
Probably is. That's left over from when they built the dam. That's how they built the dam, was railroad. So they got the supplies in here. Oh, let's go.
Boats.
No. All came in through rail. The only way they could get in here. They built a railroad to come into here. To get to the where all the supplies in. By rail. According to the thing. Because there's a roadway going down.
Where you guys from? Oh, wow, that's a long way. We're from Arizona.
Arizona. You're just right across the border.
I know, we've never seen her again.
It's amazing how you live so close to something you never see it.
Exactly.
I live an hour from the beach and don't even go to the beach. Figure that one out.
Somebody said she's done.
Who? This is something special. You can pause this part. It tells you what everything is. $660 feet wide at the base of this dam. The road that was behind me is 1,232 feet. Woof. reservoir. Total capacity 30,500,000 acre feet. Wow.
You know, between they take off the federal taxes, but I gotta pay for state taxes.
All right, let's go. So what it does, Pumpkin, the tracks come out of that building right there. They go down through a cave and circle around and go down to the platform down there. I have no idea what that is. It's an observation thing. Huh?
I like all the same cars.